Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sandra Dumansing, and today I am super excited to share with you my latest skincare experiment, slugging Vaseline with castor oil. Now, as many of you already know, I mix castor and coconut oil together, and it has done some wonders for my skin, and I continue to use that. But then I wanted to take it a notch further and try the trending slugging with Vaseline and a basic moisturizer, and I got some great results from that as well. And if you missed those videos, be sure to check the links below. I will share them. But then I wanted to take it a notch further. I wanted to combine the best of both worlds. So I cannot wait to share my experience with you. So let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what slugging actually is. For those of you who might not be familiar, slugging is a skincare technique where you apply a thick layer of an occlusive agent like Vaseline over your moisturizer to lock in hydration. This method is especially popular for those with dry skin, but I live in a humid climate and have oily skin, so I don't do it all the time. However, when I do, I found that it really helps keep my skin hydrated without feeling too greasy. Now, I've added castor oil to the mix, which has its own benefits. Let's get into that. Castor oil is a powerhouse ingredient. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This makes it great for soothing the skin and reducing breakouts. Plus, it's super moisturizing. Its rich fatty acid content helps to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin, making it ideal for dry skin. Anti-inflammatory properties. Castor oil can help reduce inflammation and redness, making it beneficial for conditions like acne or eczema. Antimicrobial effects. It has natural antimicrobial properties that can help prevent infections and promote the healing of minor cuts and abrasions. Wound healing. The oil can aid in the healing process of wounds and scars due to its ability to promote tissue regeneration. Acne treatment. Castor oil can help balance oil production in the skin and may reduce the appearance of acne when used in moderation. Soothing irritation. Its soothing properties can calm irritated skin and reduce itching, enhancing skin. Regular use can improve skin elasticity, which may help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vaseline, again, is what I use for slugging. There are others you can use that are considered occlusive ointments, but I heard this is the best. You may have heard of slugging being a TikTok trend. It is, but it is one dermatologist approved. The petroleum jelly is an oil-based product that forms an oily film over the surface of the skin. This oily film seals in moisture, helping keep skin hydrated and soft, and it's called slugging because the thick ointments you use on your skin can resemble the look of a slimy slug, so no actual slugs used. It's derived from crude oil, and it undergoes a refining process that makes it one of the safest products to use on your skin. It mainly acts as a shield that doesn't let anything in or out once it is applied. Your skin won't absorb this petroleum, it just rests on top of the skin like a blanket, and that's why many use it for wound healing. So let's get into the Vaseline benefits. Vaseline using petroleum jelly is great. According to a recent review article, Vaseline prevents more than 98% of water loss from the outer layer of the skin. For moisture retention, Vaseline creates a barrier that prevents moisture loss from the skin, helping to keep it hydrated throughout the night. Soothing irritation, Vaseline can calm irritated or inflamed skin, making it beneficial for conditions like eczema. Skin barrier support. It helps strengthen the skin's natural barrier, which can be particularly useful for those with compromised skin. Enhanced absorption. When applied over other skincare products, Vaseline can enhance the absorption of active ingredients, allowing them to work more effectively. Protection against environmental factors. The thick layer can shield the skin from harsh weather conditions, pollutants, and allergens. When combined with Vaseline, it not only hydrates but also helps balance out the heaviness of the petroleum jelly. I've used castor oil and coconut oil before, and I noticed that my skin felt nourished without being overly greasy. So again, after seeing the good results from the slugging with the Vaseline and a basic moisturizer, I decided to try to add the castor oil just to see what would happen. And here's how I did that. Cleanse. Always start with a clean face. I use my favorite gentle cleanser to remove any impurities. Next, I lightly applied my go-to moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that works for your skin type. After that, I took a small amount of castor oil and massaged it into my skin. It feels so luxurious. Finally, I applied a thin layer of Vaseline over everything. It creates that protective barrier and helps lock in all that goodness. And let me tell you, the results have been amazing. My skin feels so soft and plump in the morning, and I really think the combination of these two products works well for me. Now, I know some of you are thinking, isn't Vaseline a little too heavy for oily skin? That is a valid concern. Now, living in this humid climate that I live in, I do have to be super careful about how many times I slug. I do this maybe once or twice a week, especially after a long day in the sun or if my skin feels a little dry. So if you do have oily skin, I recommend testing it out slowly. Start with a small amount and then see how your skin reacts, because everybody's skin is different, of course, and what works for one person may not work for the other. Here are my results after few weeks of slugging with this combo, again only once a day, mostly at night. You can see my skin looks more hydrated and has a healthy glow. It's not overly greasy, and I've noticed fewer breakouts too. So if you're looking for a way to boost your hydration routine, I definitely recommend giving this a try. Quick disclaimer, this may not work for everyone. Here's who should avoid or be cautious about slugging. Those with acne-prone skin, oily, sensitive, or reactive skin. Slugging can trap oil, bacteria, heat, and debris under the occlusive layer, potentially worsening acne, clogging pores, and leading to breakouts. Always patch test new skincare routines if you're unsure. Don't forget to check out my previous videos. Castor and coconut oil mix as a powerful blend, and the other one is Vaseline slugging with a basic moisturizer. And if you enjoy these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.